Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a lovely coffee cake. Firstly, we are going to start by making our coffee frosting, for which I will need 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, half a cup of icing sugar, 3/4 cup of fresh cream, 120 gram of cream cheese, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and here I warmed up a tablespoon of water to dissolve my coffee in. I'm going to dissolve my coffee into this warm water. I will add in my cream cheese. Using my mixer, I'm going to give my cream cheese a whisk. I am going to add in my half a cup of icing sugar, and my half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm also going to add in my coffee. I will give this another whisk so it will all get together. My cream cheese and coffee is giving me a coffee color. To this, I'm going to add in my 3/4 cup of fresh cream and give this a quick whisk. I will whisk this until my frosting is done. Here you go. My frosting is whipped. I'm going to cover and put this into the fridge till it chills for a little while. So when my cake is done, it will be easy to spread. I started by preheating my oven to 180 degrees. My rest of the ingredients for my coffee cake is, here I have 4 eggs, which I'm going to separate the white from the yolk, 1/4 cup of warm milk, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of coffee, half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of flour that I sieved, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We'll start by dissolving our coffee into our warm milk. And thereafter, I will tell Pranesh to help me out by separating the white from the yolk. Yeah, Pranesh helped me out to separate the egg white. So I am going to use my mixer and mix this till it froths. To this, I'm going to add half of my sugar. And I will mix again. I will continue mixing till my egg white form soft peaks. Here's my soft peaks. So my egg whites are ready. This is my 4 egg yolks. I am going to add the remainder of the sugar into it, and also my quarter cup of oil and half teaspoon of my vanilla extract. Now I'll use my whisk to beat my egg yellow. I'm going to take my egg yellow and gently fold it in to my egg white. To my eggs, I'm going to gently add in my dissolved coffee with milk. To my flour, I'm going to add in my half a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to mix in my baking powder. I'm going to add half of my flour. And thereafter, I'm going to combine this together. I will also add in my other half of flour and mix all this together. Here's my cake batter, which is ready to pour into my 30 centimeter cake tray, which I used spray and cook, and also I put a piece of baking paper because sometimes my tin doesn't seal properly and it leaks out. I am going to pour my batter into my baking tray. I will give this a gentle shake to even out, and then I'll pop it into the oven. We will check when it's about 40 minutes. Must remember my oven is on for 180 degrees. "45 minutes has passed and we checked on our cake. It's done, so I'm going to remove it from the oven. Here's my cake. I'm going to allow it to cool completely and then apply my icing to it, and thereafter will be ready to serve. My cake has cooled down completely and I placed it upon my cake stand, and this was in the fridge. As you can see, it's gone a little thicker, and now I am ready to ice my cake. You can serve this immediately, or you can let it rest in the fridge for a little while, but we are ready to serve. There you go, your perfectly baked coffee cake on this cold day in Joburg. It goes perfectly well with a lovely hot cup of coffee on the side. As you can see the side, it's cooked very well. If you love coffee, this is a perfect treat for you to try. So I hope you all give this cake a try in the winter month. If you like your icing a little thicker and more sweeter, you can add on a little more icing sugar to it and let it rest longer in your fridge. Thank you all for watching and enjoy the school holidays.